Hi everyone. We're International Support Department from Logo Company. The content of this part. 1. Introduction and notes. 2. Details of creation new company. 3. Create departments and organizational units. 4. Create a user group and users and grant of permissions. 5. Create record number template. 6. Starting with Jaguar system. Introduction. Before you start, we prefer to get right information about company's organization structure, users' permissions, employees, chart of accounts, suppliers, customers, currencies, and others. In this demo, we will create company has this organization structure. Details of creation new company. Create departments and organizational units. Create user groups and user permissions. Notes. 1. Jaeger system depends on building its security by building group cards of users. Every group has own permissions depending on the group functionality. 2. Also Jaeger system can build the user permissions individually. 3. The system administrator can sort the users to groups depending on the functionality of the users, like general manager, sales managers, purchase managers, financial managers, accountants and others. Then grant the permissions to these groups, then build the users cards and join them to the groups, where the user can inherit groups permissions. The system has capability to join the users to multi-groups, like we can join the user to sales managers group and purchase managers group. Jaeger system gives to us capability to build the user's permissions by two ways. The first way by building the permission on form level, where the system administrator grant the permission for every component on the form: view, update, delete, mandatory for text fields, and visible or hide to buttons, pop-up menu and tab controls. The second way to building the permission on records level. The system administrator can build codes and give this code insert, update, delete permissions and insert this code to user's card. Then the user will have the same code's permissions when he will work with records. Let us just see how we can create group and give permissions to it. Always as first step we must start Tomcat server. Then we will open Internet Explorer. Type the link to the admin page. Or insert username and password. We will start create group card. Choose this button. Then will appear a list of created group. From this button we can create new group card. Name is group description. Rights is a level of permission belong to. Also you can block the group if you set block group field to yes. In license package membership, you can select the license that we have suitable from this group. Now we have 3 groups. How we can build groups permissions. We will start build form permissions. Right-click then choose form permissions. Then new tab will appear in the right side. This table has all main part of the system. As example, we will build a permission on main menu of the system. Double-click to main menu line, then new window will appear. Click this button down to start build detail of permission depending on company. Select the company from here. From status you can activate or deactivate all parts of permissions. Then we can change the status of one permission. From this button we can authorize all modules in the system. But this operation takes a lot of time. We can follow up from here. After finished, plus sign will appear beside every module. We can show from all modules have authorization. Also, you can remove the authorization from one or more module. Choose wanted modules, then press to unauthorize for this module. Then minus sign appeared beside the module. Also, we can grant permission to all module without details directly from if chose this action. Then you can change the module's permissions from this node, module rights. As we see, we have not details of permissions, we only reselect the company. Now we'll explain how to create authorization codes. Right-click them, choose authorization codes. Then you can add new authorization code. Choose company from here. We can insert special code like star that mean all users. Then we specify the module that the authorization code will affect to it. Then specify the operation that we can do on the records. For every module, create individual line. Now we will create new authorization code, but with specific code that we will grant it to user card with same meaning. Now we have two authorization code, one for all users and the other for specific code for specific user. How we can create new user? Follow the steps. From here we specify the authorization code that we defined before. Select the group the user is belong to. The user inherit his permissions from the groups that he belong to. Or we can build specific authorization with same way by right-click and choose form authorization or code authorization. Create record number template. Thank you for watching this video. Follow us in next video to see how JGare system manages the warehouses and material movements.